Hello everyone, myself Shivansh Gandhi, roll number 21EE30024. For DIY assignment number 2, I have made this COVID-19 distance and temperature detector. For making this circuit, I have used two Arduino boards, one LCD screen, one ultrasound distance detector, a temperature sensor, relays, bulbs, a power supply which supplies 12 volt and 0.25 ampere current, and multimeters, buzzers, and an oscilloscope. Now I would start the simulation. As you can see, this LCD screen is displaying the current temperature and it is showing if you are eligible for entry or not. So as you can see, the current temperature is 97.95 degrees Celsius. So it is showing you are eligible for entry. And if I would increase the temperature to 99, the buzzer is beeping and it's showing the current temperature and showing you are not eligible for entry. And I have used this bulb which is glowing when the temperature will go above 99 degrees Celsius. And so as you can see, I have connected the V out of this temperature sensor to the positive terminal of oscilloscope and negative terminal to the ground. As if I'm wearing the temperature sensor, you can see the variation in the oscilloscope. And I have used this multimeter to show the voltage across the bulb. When this bulb will glow, you can see the multimeter is showing 12 volts. For the distance detector, I have used the minimum distance to be 182 centimeter, which is approximately equal to 6 feet. As you can see, bulb will glow, the bulb will glow, and the buzzer will start beeping. And as you can see, I have used multimeter, which is I have used a multimeter which is measuring the output across red plus yellow LED. I have used two Arduino boards. One is for controlling the both the sensors, the ultrasonic distance detector as well as the temperature sensor, and second Arduino board to connect the LCD screen. For connecting this, I have connected it to 5 volts, one to ground, and this is the signal pin which I have connected to 13th of the first Arduino board. For temperature sensor, first I have used the power which is 5 volt, then ground, and the middle pin which detects the voltage because of which the variation of temperature occurs, which detects the I have for this temperature sensor I have used this power, this ground, and I have used this V out. For I have connected this V out to A naught, which is the input voltage. For second Arduino board, I have used this LCD screen, which I have used this data bus 4, data bus 4, 5, 6, and 7, which is used to transfer the data. This LED anode and cathode I have used in the respective place. This is power, ground, and this is contrast which I have connected to ground. This is register select which I have connected to the 12th pin of the Arduino board, to a 12 digital pin of Arduino board. I have used this enable which would enable the LCD screen. I have connected it to 11th pin, digital 11th pin. I have used both the relays for making use of this 12 volt source because the Arduino board cannot supply this high voltage. And this would be So this is the code for first Arduino board. For this code, I have used three variables. One is temperature, distance threshold, and centimeter. And I have used if-else statement for the ultrasound distance detector, and another if-else statement for temperature sensor. After copying the code, after copying the code, I will paste the code here. So as you can see, I have pasted this code for Arduino board number 1. Now we will compile it. As you can see, it has been compiled without any error. For this second Arduino board, I have first included the liquid crystal header file, and I have declared the LCD pins. And as you can see, and this is the calculation for calculation for the temperature using voltage, which is the V out of the temperature sensor. uh, in the void loop, I have used if else statement. So if the temperature is less than 90 degree, it would print you are eligible, as well as the temperature in degree Celsius, if you are eligible for entry or not. So it will first print you are eligible, then it would delay by 500, then it will print you are eligible for entry. Otherwise, if the temperature is above 99, it will print first not eligible, and using same logic it will print for entry. So after copying the code from Tinkercad, now I will paste in the Arduino IDE. So as you can see, it has been pasted. So this is compiling, and it has been compiled without any error. That is it for DIY assignment number 2. Thank you for watching.